Just after 7 o'clock tonight, it happened on the 800 block of East Shelton Avenue. A 32-year-old male was shot in the head.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is a coordinated test of the broadcast stations in your area. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would follow this tone.
This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is a test.
Head and neck cancer.